this is Ariel from Maximum Construction Machinery Company. Our company exports a variety of machineries, including agricultural machinery and road machinery. Now I'm in Qingdao warehouse. I will show you machine. Okay, let's go.
I'm honored to introduce this bulldozer. The model of this bulldozer is SEM SEM818F SEM brand. SEM is one of the most famous bulldozer manufacturers in China. Also, SEM belongs to Caterpillar company, the top one brand in the world. Okay, now let's look at the details. The operating weight of this bulldozer is 60,860 kg. The standard of the straight tail blade, the cavity is 3.5 cubic meters, and the blade has other options. You can choose, for example, the engine use blade. You can equip them according to your different conditions. Okay, now let's look at the engine. This SEM 818F has equipped with Weichai engine. This rated power of the engine is 147 kilowatts, and the engine features high efficiency, strong power, and low maintenance cost.
This SEM 818F Bulldozer has excellent working efficiency. The standard weight of the chassis tractor is 510 N. It can specially used for many poor working conditions because of the high reliability and low capacity.
Okay, now let's look at the cabin. The cabin provides super large interior space and broad vision, electronic control hand, and full accelerator guarantee. This helps create more comfortable operations. You can also choose air conditioning and heating system if you need. Okay, behind me, this is 3 shank ripper. Also, you can also choose single ripper if you need. Okay, that's all I have to share today. If you are interested in this machine, please contact me at any time. See you next time.